Did you know you can use the Back4App plugin for ChatGPT to execute cloud code and get its responses? Hi, I'm Alex, the architect from Back4App, and if you like this kind of content, please leave a like in this video and consider subscribing to the channel so you'll never miss out on new videos. So here in my Back4App account, we have our dogs application that ChatGPT created for us, and we have our dog class, which has a few dogs listed. All this table was created and populated by ChatGPT itself, but I went to the Cloud Code section and I added a Cloud Code function myself named getDogs that will list only 3 dogs. So it makes a new query to the dog class, it sets the query limit to 3 results, then it retrieves those results and returns it to the front end. So let's try to consume this from ChatGPT by using the Back4App ChatGPT plugin. So here I am at ChatGPT, and here I have the prompt that I just used to list my applications, and let's ask it to run that cloud code. So please run the getDogs cloud code function from the dogs app. Please render the response of the function as a table. Hit enter. And you can see the green box for the Back4App plugin, which you can open to see the requests and responses from and to Back4App. And there you go, here is the response from my Cloud Code function, and as you can see, it's already being rendered as a table. So if you have an existing app and you want a very easy way to call your Cloud Code functions and see those responses, the Back4App plugin for ChatGPT is one of the easiest ways I know, because you don't have to write a single line of code. You can just interact with it by using simple human language and still get all your results. So, if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so you can help us grow. I also share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you're already subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or any implementation you'd like to see, please leave it in the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.